Hi guys.
Hi, Charles.
Okay, so this is my brother Brian.
Hi, Brian.
Hi. Okay, so he just finished his PSLE, so he came here to find out if GESS is the right school for him. So can you tell him more about GESS?
Founded by Mr. Gan Eng Seng in 1885, our school has a long and rich history. As we adapt to changes and keep up with times, we look forward to continuing our legacy with you.
GESS's environment and activities really appealed to me. I learned valuable experience in organizing and planning school events. Through various programs, I learned more about myself and others. I was moved out of my comfort zone and it helped me realize and develop my capabilities.
My mom is in the Parent-Teacher Association and she often shares about the fun interactions with teachers and other parents too. I am proud to be a GESSIAN and I believe that every student here will be able to unlock their full potential, be it in studies, CCA or leadership.
I joined GESS initially simply because my older sibling was here. But in the 4 years here, I found really supportive and encouraging teachers and friends who prepared me for not just the next phase of my education, but for life.
GESS had not only prepared me for the O-levels, but more importantly, to be an active, contributing member of society.
Gan Eng Seng School had given me many opportunities through its variety of programs, nurturing teachers, supportive peers, mentors, and friends.
GESS feels like a second home to me.
There is one line in the school creed that says, "Let love abide here," and it does.
The last 4 years in GESS have been eventful and enjoyable. I was challenged to push beyond my limits and have learned many important life lessons in a safe and supportive environment. To me, GESS is like my second home.
What are you waiting for? Come join me at GESS!